An investment in your future. This coastal town estate in Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos is not just a place to call home. It's an investment in your future. With its prime location and stunning views, it's a property that will only appreciate in value. With a 12% discount available until the end of the month, 31st of January 2023, now is the time to take advantage of this incredible opportunity.
We do a warm welcome to coastal town in Ibeju-Lekki. This is a Lagos State government scheme called the Lekki Coastal Scheme in Lagos. There are several estates here that are still under development, just like the one I'm right in front of, which is called Coastal Town. Now, this coastal town is very close to the coastal road, which is barely a minute or 2 minutes walk. Lekki Ekpa Express Road is about a 20 minutes walk or 25 minutes walk, where construction are ongoing, even though it has not gotten to the coastal road axis yet. But on the Lekki Ekpa Expressway, the development is ongoing there, which means that in the nearest future, this place is going to be booming. It's going to be a prime location for any investor whatsoever, be it for residential or for commercial. When I say commercial, I mean buying a plot of land, building it and renting it out or leasing it out to occupants.
A community with a new attitude. Live life simply along the coastal line. Features includes CCTV security system, home automation, fiber optics connectivity, of course lounge, recreational parks, 24 hours power supply, good road network, swimming pool, well-equipped gym, street lights, and many more. This beautiful piece of land is in close proximity to these following landmarks: Lackwell Lakes Golf Resort, proposed Lekki International Airport, Novare Mall, Pan-African University, amongst notable schools, which includes nursery, primary, and secondary schools. And lastly, other numerous estates developments. What this means to investors is that, without a doubt, Ibeju-Lekki is going to live up to that name, the New Lagos.
This is a prime estate. It's available in 300 square meters and 500 square meters. Because the Orange Deal is ongoing until 31st of January, you'll be having about 12%. You're going to enjoy discounts on any choice of plots you decide to choose or you decide to go for. Like I earlier said, 300 square meters and 500 square meters. Mind you, the Orange offer is ending by 11:59 p.m. 31st of January 2023. That means you have barely about 13 days to go. Today is 18th of January. Reach me on the number scrolling on the screen, and also remember that once you key into it from GP Homes, we'll make sure your documents get to you. This is an all-inclusive property. Once you pay the initial deposit, you can spread to 12 months to finish your payment, and at no interest. Our numbers are scrolling on the screen, so you can reach out at any time to inquire more about this property. We'll be sure to give you more details. Remember, we are also here to give you a tour, either physical or virtual tour. Pinga Phillips saying thank you for watching. See you on another video.